Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trading review for today. So yet another day of indecision. I don't know how to put this, but I think for me it's keep your money in your pocket until we get some structure. At this stage, a daily pin bar like this, followed by a range bar, followed by all these sellers stepping in the previous days, or 4 days, include this day. That is what I refer to as barbed wire. It's indecision. It's buyers and sellers not knowing which direction we're going, and they're just frantically trying to get in to find a position. Okay, at this stage, I don't think you have any real position. Okay, we've got diversions here between there and there. There's our high, there's our high. I prefer to see a fractal for that divergence to become a bit more serious. Do have a crossover here, which is starting to look good, but my oscillators are grouped to the wrong side for a long anyway. If we look at the 3 hour, you can see we rallied. We had a gap down, we had sellers step in, but then we still had buyers coming in. Okay, now if you look at what we're bouncing around is the 200 SMA on the 3 hour. Okay, so right now the DAX futures is pretty much flat, 12,097, which is basically 3-4 points below where we closed. Okay, so let's just get down to the hour. I'm still thinking. I haven't had a look at the chart yet this morning, so yeah. So the trend is still down. If you look at the hour, we have had a crossover here, the moving averages. We're pretty much all over the place with stochastics. It is looking like another move to the downside. So this gap hasn't really closed. The close of the gap is to the upside, but I think this downside gap is going to be the one that the market is aiming for. So I actually wouldn't even bother with the gap, but look at the left, look at all these tails here. That's the area that I'm looking to get. We haven't tagged it, so I'm expecting another squirt down, and that's probably an area which I'd be looking for a half decent long trade. But at this stage, looking at this is pretty much all over the place. You probably find that this, you don't even really have a trend line to follow. It's not a very strong trend line. That there's only 2 touches on that. It's only 2. Just want to see if it might be 3. Nope, it's not 3. Okay, so let's delete it. Yeah, so I think until we get a level tagged, keep my money in my pocket. This is a relatively good area here to look for something. So that is 12,057, and I'd actually look at a stop around there, a 40-point stop loss. Okay, but obviously you want to see some price action first, so you want to see something like this off the level before you start committing to the trade. So at this stage, yesterday I wasn't really expecting this breakout here to continue. It didn't continue, so maybe what we can see is a breakdown, come and test this level, close a gap. It makes the most sense at the moment. Have a 40-point, 50-point stop loss, and look for a long from there. That's kind of the trade I'm looking at. I'm not looking to get short at the moment. We're going to have to break below this fractal level here for me to even consider a short. And we haven't had a second attempt at the top, so shorts for me are a little bit scary. I'm rather looking for some kind of a structure to build and see if we can continue on this upward trend, although it's a bit messy. But anyway, so it's money in the pocket, not worrying about a trade just yet until we get to some level and then some structure forms. Okay, the structure for me is going to be pretty much off the 12 minutes, and I'm looking for, even if there's buyers and sellers all over the place at a level, that would be enough structure for me, and then we're looking for a break of one of the fractals on the 12 or 15 minutes to indicate the entry. Okay, so for now, wait and see. let's get to a level. This gap at the bottom is definitely a level to watch out for. So 12,057. If we do get through 12,057, then look out on the round number of 1,200. And I'm almost convinced we have. Let's see, so stop on here. There's a second gap to the downside, which may also work. But I'm looking for. Well, there's 12. You can see there's 1,200. We've got two touches on that. Let's get to 3 hour. Nothing much on a 3 hour except for this previous swing low here. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view at the moment. Looking at the 3 hour as well, just to finish off, we do have potential of a crossover starting to happen on the stochastics, which means I should be looking for a level. I don't see a level up. No, I suppose we did close on this level up here. And I suppose last thing that I can see here is we have a bit of a triangle. Okay, so that triangle second move down will take us to that inside tail there. Okay, so rather a mixed bag, so I think rather keep your money in your pocket until you see a break one way or another. If you do get a break at the open to the downside and you're taking that short, just keep the trailing stop pretty tight and watch out for those 3 levels I've given you now, because I do suspect we're going to get some buyers in there. And bear in mind, this inverse head and shoulders to me is still in play. Okay, we're pretty much just testing the neckline at the moment. There's the neckline right there. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Patience is key, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.